In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract a drop-down from Microsoft Forms to Excel. If you've ever wanted to seamlessly transfer your form responses into a neat and structured Excel workbook, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into this simple and straightforward process. To begin, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft Forms website. If you're not already familiar with Microsoft Forms, it's a simple yet robust tool from Microsoft that allows you to create surveys, quizzes, and questionnaires with ease. Once you have your browser open, typing Microsoft Forms into the search bar should quickly get you to where you need to be. Next, you'll need to sign into your account. If you're using Microsoft 365 for work or school, make sure to use your associated email and password. If you're just using a personal account, your regular Microsoft credentials will do just fine. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your personal Microsoft Forms dashboard, where you can see all the forms you've created and those shared with you. The next step is to open the specific form from which you want to export the drop-down data. This is as simple as locating your form from the list presented on your dashboard. Clicking on it will open the form interface, displaying all the details and designs you've worked on. With your form open, direct your attention to the Responses tab at the top of the interface. This tab is crucial as it holds all the data collected from the people who have filled out your form. Clicking on Responses will shift your view to a summary of how respondents have interacted with your form's questions. Now, to really get this data into Excel, you need to locate and click on the Open in Excel button. This button is typically found somewhere near the top right corner within the Responses tab, and it does exactly what it describes. Once you click it, the magic by Microsoft takes over. A brand new Excel workbook will automatically be created and opened for you in Excel for the web. This is not only convenient, but also very practical. The workbook is stored in your OneDrive or in SharePoint if you're dealing with group forms. This feature is particularly handy because it ensures that the Excel file will automatically update whenever new responses are submitted to your form. This means you don't have to repeat this process repeatedly to get the latest data. That's it. You've successfully extracted your drop-down data from Microsoft Forms to Excel, making it much easier to further analyze or share the data as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.